morning, dear students. I am Ms. Navida Sheikh from Brahan Mumbai Mahanagar Palika MCGM virtual class. I welcome all my dear students to another and interesting session. In today's session, we'll be learning something new and interesting from a science textbook. So let's get started.
Good morning, dear students. I am Mrs. Navida Sheikh from MCGM Virtual Class. I welcome all my dear students to another and interesting session. In today's class, we'll be learning something interesting from your scholarship books, and we will be talking about mathematics. The topic for today is reading and writing numbers up to 10 digits. Now, we have all learned about how to read numbers. We have learned about Roman numbers, we have learned about international numbers, Devanagari numbers, right? So, we have an idea about what are numbers, how to read them. But in today's class, we will be learning about a few questions that might come in scholarship related to this topic. Okay, so let's get started and learn something new and interesting. So, when we talk about reading and writing numbers up to 10 digits, to write any number, we use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. Right? We use numbers. To write any numbers, कितने भी अगर कोई भी कितना भी digit का number लिखना है हम लोगों को 1 digit का number लिखना है या 10 digit का number लिखना है, we are going to make use of these numbers only. Right? This means all the numbers are prepared using this 10 digits. That is 1 to 10. Any number without its place value is of no importance. ये जो numbers हम लोग के पास है 1 से लेके 0 तक जितने भी numbers हैं यही numbers के combinations को we make use of these combinations of these numbers in order to write down how many ever digit number we want. Okay, whether it is 4-digit number, 5-digit number, we are going to make use of these numbers from 1 to 10. And for writing any number, you have to remember that the place value is very important. Okay, now we will be talking about place values and face values in a separate video that will be coming later ahead. So stay tuned for that as well. Now we will continue with reading and writing numbers. Now, one of the examples that is write in words. If I have a number, say 2,08,204, we must first fix up the value of each number by writing its value on top. Now, that is lakh, 10,000, thousand, hundred, tens, and unit. We've all learned about these values: units, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. ठीक है? So we will place the numbers below this value. Okay. So we know that each number has a fixed value according to the given number that we have. हमारे पास जो number दिया है हर एक digit के एक अलग separate value है. ठीक है. तो we will write it like this. ये जो हमारा जो units है उसके नीचे हम लोग सही तरीके से order में लिखेंगे तो you will come to know about the place of each and every number. So the answer is 2,08,204 based on the value that we have for each of the number here. जो भी हम लोगों ने ऊपर लिखे थे ये हमेशा यूनिट से स्टार्ट करेंगे. यू हैव टू राइट डाउन यूनिट्स, टेंस, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs. अगर आगे बड़ा नंबर है तो यू कैन राइट दैट ऑल्सो 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crore. Okay, so that way. And then you have to write down the numbers. Okay, यूनिट को यूनिट प्लेस पे लिखेंगे, टेंस को टेंस, 100 को हंड्रेड्स की प्लेस पे, 1000 को थाउजेंड की प्लेस पे, 0 है 10,000 की प्लेस पे और 2 है lakh की प्लेस पे. So that way we got the answer as 2,08,204. Now here I have a table which has been made properly in order for you all to understand how we write down the numbers in their places and we come to know how can we read that easily. Okay, so I have a number, say 87531,469. Okay, so I start writing 9 in the units place, 6 in the tens place, 4 in the hundreds place, 1 in the thousands place, 3 in the 10,000 place, 5 in the 10,000 place, 7 in million and 8 in 10 millions. Okay, 100,000 की जगह पर हम लोग ने 5 लिखे हैं. So we have the number, we can read it very easily. 87 millions 531,469. Okay, so this is how you read. Now let us start with a few questions related to the topic that we are talking about, reading and writing the numbers. So write in words the following figures. We have a few figures. We will be having figure given to us and we have to find out how do you write this number in terms of words. ठीक है, हम लोग ये बहुत छोटे थे तब से करते आ रहे, जस्ट इट इज कि अभी नंबर्स थोड़े बड़े हैं. So the options that we have here, first option is 1,08,102. ठीक है. Second option is 18,102. Third option is 10,8102. And fourth option is 10,08,001. Okay, so these are the four options that are given to me. Now I know my students are very smart. You have to just look at the commas and you will come to know. Units की place पे 2 है, 0 tens की place पे है, 1 is in the hundreds place, 8 is in the thousand place, 0 is in the 10,000 place and 1 is in the lakhs place. ठीक है, तो अभी ऑप्शन में से जो कौन सा ऑप्शन है जहां पर 1 लाख लिखा है, right? The option number 1. Option number 1 says 1 lakh. Let's continue ahead and see whether ये जो 8 है वो कौन सी प्लेस पे है, 1000 की प्लेस पे है. सो 8000. 1 कौन सी जगह पर है, 100 की जगह पर, सो वी राइट डाउन 100. एंड 2 कहाँ पर है, यूनिट्स की प्लेस में, सो वी राइट डाउन 2. See, we know we have to write down this way so that it becomes easier for us, for all of us to understand. And if you think that you can do it directly also without making any silly mistakes, you can go ahead. Alright, so this is how I write down my numbers so that it becomes easier for me to read it out properly, and I get alternative 1 is the correct answer because it says 1,08,102. The next question that we have is another number. The figure is given to us and we have four options. 9,05,125. Second option is 95,125. The third option is 9,50,125. The fourth option is 90,125. Okay, so 90,125 is the fourth option. So we have all learned that if you write down the values like this and below them, if you write down the figure that is given to you. Okay, you have to be very careful when you jot down the numbers below the values. So 5 comes in the units place, 2 comes in the tens place, 1 comes in the hundreds place, 5 comes in the thousand place, 0 will come in the 10,000 place and the 9 will come in the lakhs place. Alright, so this much is understood. Now read this properly. Okay, with this I hope it becomes clear for you all to understand how to read it out. So 9 कौन सी प्लेस पे है, लाख की प्लेस पे है, so it will be 9,05,125. So the alternative 1 is the correct answer. Okay, so 1 Alternative 1 tells me 9,05,125. So that way option number 1 is the correct answer. Write in words the following figure: 250094. Let us see the options. 25,094, 2,594, 2,50,094. None of the above. None of the above, I hope everybody knows what is it. None of the above मतलब ऊपर से कोई भी option सही नहीं है. Alright. So we know what are we going to do. We need to write the place value, and then you have to write down the given figures below that. So you have 2 in lakhs place, 5 in 10,000 place, 0 in thousands place, 0 in hundreds place, 9 under tens place and 4 under units place. So that way 2 कहाँ पर है? lakh की position पे है. Right? So 2 lakh. 2 lakh वाला option कितना है? Only one we have. ठीक है, option number 3. So 2 lakh, let us read out option number 3 whether it is correct or not. Okay, so you have a look at the place value that we have written here, and I'll just read it out. 2,50,094. So my alternative 3 is the correct answer. Okay, so that is how you get the answers, and you do not make any silly mistakes also if you do it like this. The next question, write in words the following figure: 853,413. So the first option that I have is 8,513, 8,053,000 and 100, 430. Third option is 53,430. And the fourth option is 8,53,430. So let us write down the place values: lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and units. You will write down all the figures properly, one below the other. Okay, so 3 comes in the units place, 1 in the tens place, 4 in the hundreds place, 3 will come under the thousand place, 5 will come under 10,000 place, and 8 will come under lakhs place. So that way, when you read it out, it becomes very clear which option is correct. So if you read it, it will be 8,53,413. So my alternative 4 is the correct answer. Okay, so alternative 4 is the correct answer. The next question that we have is, write in words the following figure: 541,727. Let us see the correct options. We have 4 options. The first option, that is 54,1727, 54,727, 54 lakh 1,727 only, or 5 lakh 41,727. Okay, so we know what are we supposed to do. We will be placing the numbers below the values, that is units, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Alright, so we will write down in the units place, we'll write down 7, in tens place 2, in hundreds place 7, in thousands place we will write 1, 10,000 की जगह पर we will write 4, and in lakhs place we will write 5. So if you search for the correct option, you will read it as 5,41,727, and alternative 4 is the correct answer. Okay, so if you see, out of all the 4, the fourth option is correct. So you will circle it out. The next question that we have is, write in words the following figures: 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Okay, so this is the number that we have. You have to write it in words. First option, 80,888. Okay. Second, 8,888. 8,88,888. The third option. The fourth option is 8,888. So out of these four options, now we will not we will directly do it. We will not write down the place values. We will directly write down and try to do it directly, okay, without listing a lakh, 10,000, thousand, hundred, tens, units, place. Okay, instead of doing that, we'll do it directly now. So if you notice, 8, the first digit that is there, it is in the lakhs place. Okay, अगर हम लोग कभी भी comma देखेंगे, you have to pay attention to the commas. The first comma that comes in the number is after 100. ठीक है, units, tens, 100. 100 के बाद एक comma आता है, फिर आता है 1000, 10,000, दो digit, फिर comma, फिर lakh, 10 lakh, फिर comma. Okay, so you have to remember that commas. If it is not there in the number, you can put it by yourself. ठीक है, that will help you to write down in a without making any mistake. Okay, so the option here which is correct is option number 3, because it is 8,88,888. Okay, so alternative 3 is the correct answer. Understood? So if you place the commas properly and if you pay attention to the commas in the sentence, you will come to know without writing that lakh, thousand, 10,000, hundred, tens, units, place value. Okay, so I just show you once as to what I'm talking about. We're talking about these commas that are there. Okay, this comma that we write first, we will have 3 digits. After that, we will have two digits. Okay, उसके बाद comma डलता चले जाता है. That way, that will also help you to get the correct answer. The next question that we have is write in numbers. All right, write in numbers. Now, अब तक हमारे पास sentences थे. We were having numbers. We had to write down the in words, right? Now we have in words. We will write it down in numbers. Okay, so we have 8,09,043. So read it properly, so it will help you to understand. 8 lakh, it is not talking about 80 lakh, it is talking about 8 lakh. Then 9,000, अब यहाँ पे 10,000 की place में कुछ भी नहीं है, तो it will be 0. Remember that. Then you have 9,043. 43 again is tens and units digit. 100 की जगह पर भी कुछ नहीं है, तो we will write it down. Let us see the options that will help us to actually get the correct answer. The first option is 890043. So it says 8,90,043. Now that is wrong. Then you have 8,00943. Then you have 89043, and the fourth option is 8,09043. Okay, so the first option is not correct because it is saying 8,90,043. Second option says 8,943. Third option says 89,043, and the fourth option says 8,09,043. So if I put the commas for your understanding, it will be much clearer as to how did I get this correct option. So I am putting this comma after 3 digit, okay, and this comma after 2 digit. So this will help me understand now कि ये 8 जो है वो lakh की place में है. Okay, so alternative 4 is the correct answer. This is how you're supposed to solve this type of sum. The next question that we have is 18,32,515. So here you can see I have put commas. There is comma in the answer. in the options. Okay, so it will be easier for you all to understand. The next option is 1,832,515 or 18,32,515. Third option is 18,23,515. The fourth option is 18,32,551. Okay, so what are we searching for? We were searching for 18 lakh. अब 18 lakh तीन options में है. Option number 2, option number 3 and option number 4. ठीक है, 18 lakh है. 32,000 है. 32,000 is in the option number 2 and option number 4. ठीक है, so 3 और 1 out हो गया. Next 515. 500 भी 2 में और 3 में 4 में है. ठीक है, और 15 कौन सा ऑप्शन में है? 15 is in the option number 2. Okay, so the correct alternative is 2. Understood? So this is how you can easily identify the correct options out of all the 4. The next question that we have here is 95 lakhs 7,201. So the options here I have is 95 lakhs 7,210, 95 lakhs 721. Then third option is 95,000, 95 lakhs 7,201. And the fourth option is 95 lakhs 70,201. Okay, so again I will read out the question. 95 lakhs. अब 95 lakhs तो सारे options में है ना? 7,000. Where is 7,000? 7,000 you have in option number 1 and option number 3. So 2 and 4 you will cancel out that. Okay. Then we go further ahead. 201. Now 201 is in option number 3, right? So alternative 3 is the correct answer. Understood? So that is how you can sort out the correct option from all the 4 options that are given to us. Understood? Let's move on. Let's see another question. 80 lakhs 30,313. ठीक है, तो 80 lakh 30,313. Here you have 80 lakhs 3,313. Next option you have 80 lakhs 30,313. The third option is 83 lakhs 313. Then you have 80 lakhs 30,331. Okay, so 80 lakhs किस किस options में है? Option number 1, 2 and 4. 3 को हम लोग cancel कर देंगे. Then you have 30,000. 30,000 किस किस में है? Option number 2 and option number 4. So option number 1 and 3 is cancelled. Okay, so I'll just do one thing. We will just cancel it out and so that it becomes a little easier for you. Understood? Then we have 313. 313 you have in option number 2 only. Okay, 313 because in option number 4 we have 331. So the alternative 2 is the correct answer. The next question that we have here is 5,59,073. So 5 lakh. Here you have first option, second option, third option and fourth option. Okay, so we will go. I'll just first we can put comma so that it becomes easier for us. Okay, यहाँ पर हम लोग 3 digits के बाद में एक comma डालेंगे. यहाँ पे 2 digit के बाद. ठीक है, so आप लोगों को समझ में easy हो जाएगा. Alright, so 5 lakh. 5 lakh कौन से ऑप्शन में है? ऑप्शन नंबर 1 में है. Then option number 2 has 5 lakh and option number 4 has 5 lakh. Option number 3 has 50 lakh. So we will cancel it out. Okay, we will not take this now into account. अब you don't have to cancel it in your paper. Okay, just you have to remember कि ये option अभी नहीं है हमारा. Next is 5 lakhs is done. 59,000. 59,000 कौन से options है? Option number 1. Okay. Any other place where you have 59,000? No. So, and last is 73, and this is 73. So, which is the correct alternative? Alternative number 1. Alternative 1 is the correct answer. Okay. So, this is how you can solve such sums. And you don't have to worry because you will not go wrong if you do this step by step. Okay. The next question, 62 lakhs 7,409. So the options here I have is, these are my 4 options. Now you all think and try it out. Which one is it? Which one is the correct option? 62 lakhs. Okay. Now 62 lakh, if you see, you will find 62 lakh in 3 options. Option number 1, 3 and 4. 2 के अंदर 62 lakhs नहीं है. Alright. Then 62 lakhs समझ में आ गया. 7,000 बोल रहा, not 70. Okay. So 7,000, 62 lakh यहाँ पर है. ये 7,000 is in the option number 4. 409. ठीक है. So option 4 is the correct answer. So alternative 4 is the correct answer. Okay. Understood this much? Now let's move ahead. Now these are 2 sums that I have for you for your homework. You have to solve these and you have to answer the questions in the comment section below the video. So the first question that you have for homework is 10,010. You have to write in numbers. Okay, so you have 4 options. 10,000, 100, then you have 10101, 10001, 10010. Okay, so these are 4 options that you have. Understood? So you have to get the correct alternative for this for your homework. The next question that you have for homework is 48,00600. Now you have to come up and understand what is the correct alternative. Okay, so you know 48 is in the lakhs place or thousands place. You can easily do it. I have explained you all the methods that you can use. आप लोग values लिख सकते हो ऊपर, units, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, that way you can find out, or you could put commas like here. It is already having commas, so that will help you to understand के 48 कहाँ पर है, 100 की place पर है, 10,000 की place पे है, lakh की place पे या 10 lakh की place पे 4 है. So that way you can easily get the answer for this as well. Understood? So I hope this much is clear to all of you. I hope this video was quite useful to all my students, and please see to it that there is a Google form in the description box. Please do fill the Google form, and if you have any doubts and queries, you can ask us in the comment section below. Till then, thank you. If you liked the session, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can share and
This session was quite useful to you. In the next coming period, we'll learn something new and interesting. Till then, thank you.